Hey, how about some cool and interesting fact you might not know about the DNA, or the deoxyribonucleic acid? Do you know that even though it codes for all the information that makes up an organism, DNA is built using only 4 building blocks: the nucleotides adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. Not so with engineers. They use so much complex mathematical equations in making a blueprint. So back to DNA. But do you know that every human being shares 99% of the DNA with every other human? So for a better world, treat others as you treat yourself. Or do you know if you put all the DNA molecules in your body end to end, the DNA would reach from the Earth to the Sun in path over 600 times. That's 100 trillion times 6 feet, divided by 92 million miles. Or do you know that a parent and a child shares 99.5% the same DNA? So no matter what happens, you're still a child of your parent, or still a parent of your child. Or do you know that if you could type 60 words per minute, 8 hours a day, it would take approximately 50 years to type the human genome? So if you were 20 today, you'll be finishing your project of typing the human genome when you're already 70 years old. But do you know that scientists at Cambridge University believes humans have DNA in common with the mudworm, and that it is the closest invertebrate genetic relative to us? In other words, you have more in common, genetically speaking, with the mudworm than you do with a spider, or octopus, or even a cockroach. Or do you know that Friedrich Messier discovered DNA in 1869? Although scientists did not understand DNA was the genetic material in cells until 1943, prior to that time, it was widely believed that proteins stored genetic information